In this continent, the highest peak is Mount McKinley.
Mount McKinley.
Next, South America. South America, it's below the North America. Even here there is very attractive natural spots like Andes Mountain.
Andes means
Andes Mountain, it is the longest continuous mountain range. Very bane longest mountain range. It is more than like it is more than the size of India, I think.
ah,
It covers around 7 kilometers. Continuous it is that mountains. Continuous Andes mountain. 7 countries and 7 kilometer. Continuous range it is. Both in that there are a variety of
variety.
different kinds of nature. In some